Hey everyone, welcome back to Ashu Official. This is Faiz, and if you're new here, I'm doing a special solo series on how to speak better English. In part 1, we talked about the power of storytelling and how it can make your English more memorable, emotional, and real. Today, in part 2, we are going deeper. You will learn how to make any story interesting, powerful phrases native speakers use, and how to build your story like a movie with suspense, emotion, and impact. And if you like this, don't forget to check out my channel, Fluency Journey, where I post more such videos to improve your real world spoken English. Now, let's begin. Part 1, the hook. Start your story like a Netflix scene. The first 10 seconds of your story are everything. That's when people decide, should I keep listening or this is boring? So always start with a hook, a line that creates curiosity. Here are some powerful hooks. You won't believe what happened to me last Monday. I have never been more nervous in my life than I was that day. Or, everything was going fine until this happened. These opening lines don't need advanced English, but they grab attention. Just like a movie trailer. Try this one. It was my first day at college and I was already late. Now the listener wants to know what happened next. Part 2, power phrases. Let's talk about phrases that make your storytelling sound fluent and natural. Here are 3 you can start using today. First, out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, it started raining like crazy. Second, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it when I saw my name on the winners list. Third, it turned out. It turned out the teacher wasn't angry. These are only a few. I have given a PDF in the description where you find more such phrases. Start adding 1 or 2 of these in your stories. They make your English more emotional and real. Part 3, build suspense like a movie. Good stories keep people asking what's going to happen next. Here's how to build suspense in English just like movies do. Use short sentences for tension. I walked in. The room was silent. Everyone stared at me. Short line adds drama. Delay the main event. That's a second way. Instead of saying everything at once, stretch it out. Here's a normal version. I missed my bus and got late for the exam. The better version would look like this. I woke up 15 minutes late. I checked the time, panic, and I rushed out. But the bus had already left. This creates a story flow. Your English becomes more cinematic even with simple words. Part 4, build a story bank. One thing all good storytellers have is a story bank. This means collect short stories from your life and practice telling them again and again. Here's how to build yours. Write down 5 to 10 moments like first day of my college, a time I failed, an embarrassing moment, or the best compliment I received. Then use the SPS formula, situation, problem, and solution. Practice telling each in 60 to 90 seconds. This way, whenever you are in a conversation, you will never run out of real stories to share in fluent English. By the way, if you want to practice these stories live with me, I offer one-on-one spoken English coaching where we do storytelling drills, fluency training, and confidence building. No boring grammar, just real communication practice. Check the link in the description to book your session with me. Now, let's take it to the next level. Here are 2 pro storytelling tips to sound even more advanced. First, play with your tone. Raise your voice when you are excited. Lower your tone for serious or suspenseful parts. This adds emotion and keeps people listening. Second, end with punchline or lessons. That's when I realized confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being real. Stories that end with emotion always stays in people's mind. Now let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. First, use strong hooks. Second, learn natural phrases. Third, build suspense like a movie. Fourth, practice your own stories and build your story bank. Remember, the better you tell stories, the better people understand you. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below with one real story you want to practice. And if you want more videos like this one, check out my channel, Fluency Journey. It's full of practical ways to speak better English. This is Faz. See you in the next video.